Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 14. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to simplify the given expression. Okay, so we have an addition, then we have a multiplication, then we have a division. The multiplication should be done before the addition, so let's do that one first. So we will have 2 plus, and now 8 times 7 is 56. And then we have divide by 4. Okay, so now we have an addition, then we have a division. Division comes before addition. And so we will have 2 plus. Okay, 56 divided by 4 is 14. Okay, now we just have our addition, and we will do that. And so our final answer is 16. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.